Where you live.
Well, folks, the biggest Christmas winter storm in 20 years is taking aim on the Midwest. Plain and simple. The good news is we're going to miss the worst of this winter storm, but you will notice, wow, there are a lot of winter weather watches and warnings all over the U.S., from Colorado through Kansas, Nebraska, Minnesota, now parts of Illinois, northern Indiana, Michigan. These are winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, blizzard watches, you name it, it's there. And as we kind of hone in locally here, this is a flood watch in effect for Illinois, Missouri, eastern parts of Iowa. This is a winter storm watch for areas just to our northwest. And finally, this light blue shading here is a winter weather advisory. You get the idea. The cold air is here. The moisture is beginning to come out of the southwest, and our storm in the desert southwest is headed our way. And boy, it will be a sloppy mess. Airports will be backed up right through Christmas. Now let's go to 3D and check out Futurecast. Let's start with later tonight and tomorrow morning. First of all, some light snow, light sleet, and a little freezing rain will arrive after midnight tonight, and it's going to be around here at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. The pink is some light freezing rain and sleet, perhaps a few snowflakes. The blue is actually some light snow, and you see the temperatures upper 20s to right around 30 degrees. Now, as we go through the afternoon, this is 2 p.m., notice a lot of the light freezing rain and sleet will begin to shift north, and the temperature actually starts to warm up. So Lafayette, we're at 32 by 2, 34 down at Petersburg. By 5, our southern counties will be above freezing, but there still will be at least some light drizzle there and at least some light freezing drizzle from Rochester back to Morocco. 11 p.m., temperatures finally creeping above freezing from about Fowler to near Monticello and also near Rushville, but still below freezing with some icing here over our northern counties. And then we get even a little more icing before it changes to all rain by Thursday. So tonight, early tomorrow morning, ½ to 1 inch of sleet and snow, Royal Center points north, ½ inch or less of sleet and snow, Monticello, Peru, Rushville to Fowler, and a trace of that, Lafayette south. And then finally with the ice, an 1/8 of an inch of ice, Monticello north, but up to 1/4 of an inch here at Rochester, and less than that as you head southwest. I'm running out of time, and I'll have more information on this at 6 o'clock. Light snow, a little sleet, and a little light freezing rain developing tonight, breezy down to 28. And then by tomorrow, high of 34. And finally in the 7-day forecast, as I'm running out of time, 39 rain Thursday, and then turning much colder early next week. And I'll have more at 6.